Yeah, g'day. How are you? Today we're at Birdlings Flat, which is partway between Christchurch and Akaroa. Behind me is Lake Forsyth. For those of you who know Canterbury, Little River Township is just on the way with its amazing bakery. I'm here with a couple of mates and their kids. Behind me now you can see the Pacific Ocean. You can see we've got some fires and things going. The plan is to cook some sausages, cook some venison, some mussels. So this is Lake Forsyth, and Lake Forsyth is a traditional site for gathering tuna or eels by the local Māori, the local iwi, and at certain times of year these trenches get dug out. They get dug out because on the other side of that shingle ridge is the sea, Pacific Ocean, so the eels or tuna will come up these gutters and try and reach the ocean to get to sea to breed. So this was a way that, this is a way that the local iwi harvest the tuna, harvest the eels for food. What happens is normally these are quite a lot deeper. About another 2 months they'll start digging them out, and they will use gaffs and gaff the eels out. And if we have a look on the other side, you can see a trench here. You can see a trench, hang on a second. You can see this trench here. So this trench here, they'd flick the eels into there, and then they will take them out and dry them and smoke them for food. So Lake Forsyth in Canterbury. Over here, this is Banks Peninsula. So if you're looking at the map of the South Island, the peninsula that sticks out about halfway, that's Banks Peninsula. This is the point that peninsula starts coming out up the coast. I'll climb up to the top of the gravel ridge and you can see why I know where I'm at. So out here, this is Banks Peninsula. Down here is the Rakaia River, way south. All of this gravel is all deposited by the rivers and brought up the coast, and creates this piece of coastline. There's that trench we were talking about before at Lake Forsyth. So yeah, Birdlings Flat, Canterbury, Rakaia River, Rangitata River, two of the rivers that created the Canterbury Plains. Boys getting themselves a couch. Fire.
I wouldn't keep dipping it in the ashes there, mate. It won't taste too good.
Keep it up.
No, I really wish I would stick in a big pot.
Well, the fire's nearly burned out. The boys have had sausages, they've had venison patties, they've had mussels, they've had potatoes, they've had saveloys, they've had damper, they've had it all. It's been a good day. So I'm going to call it quits now. Thanks for watching, thanks for coming with us, and hopefully we'll see you again on our next trip. Sorry the footage wasn't so good today, the wind was blowing a gale, and we've got 7 kids and 3 dads. It's a bit crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching. you know where to find us for the next one. Have a good one. Bye.